welcome back here with Lani and
Titi!
Today we have an unboxing video. So I have just received Whall 6.2 quart air fryer. So let's get started. I have some melody potatoes. I went ahead to season it with salt, pepper, and onion powder. And I also have these bread that I also added olive oil to it. So we're going to be making avocado toast with these. I have the cinnamon rolls that we're going to bake. I have frozen bean burger. I have frozen bean burger and also frozen string beans.
Yes.
So we are going to test this out. And this is the vegan edition. You hear me?
Yes.
Look at her. So beautiful. So beautiful. You ready? She is more excited than me.
Whoa!
Take off all the plastic first.
Whoa, that's amazing.
It's amazing, Titi?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There goes the recipe book. It comes with a recipe book.
Yeah, I want the people.
And then this is the operation instructions that it comes with. Okay. I'm going to tip this over, okay? Wait. I'm going to tip it over. That's the
plastic. Oh, the tiny plastic.
Yeah, hold on. Let me pull it out first. Hold the box. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's so big.
Stainless steel and black. Okay.
The tiger.
That's the plug.
Yeah. We're getting ready.
Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty.
I need face.
Well, hold on. You want to see it too? Hold on.
Yeah, I need.
She wants to see it.
Need face.
Oh, no, it needs to face the audience, Titi. You can look at it, but then we're going to need to turn it back on, okay? So it has these digital LCD touchscreen. So as soon as you plug it in, you will see it comes up. So I will wash this out and we'll get back to you. So before I go ahead and wash it, I want to go ahead and pull it out with you guys. And it comes with a basket inside. Okay. Inside has ridges. Nice handle. Wall. And this is a button and you can rotate it. Start and pause.
Let's get started.
Okay, so before I plug this in, I'm gonna move Titi over here because this will be hot. The back will be hot, and the side. So she will just be watching and probably just putting stuff inside the basket. Okay. She really wanted to help me with this. Okay, so we're gonna plug this in, and let's see. You hear that? Ooh, let's do a close-up. Let's look. So there go the fries, vegetable steak, drumstick, fish, shrimp. You can thaw. And my favorite part is the DIY. You can never go wrong with that. Okay. We are going to start with the bread. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it up. See inside. We're gonna put the bread in.
Yeah.
Okay, let's place it on in. I put olive oil on top of the bread. And let's close it up. Make sure it clicks, and it will indicate where is it on in the LCD panel. Okay, so we want bread, and it's not gonna take that long. So let's just do 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and press start. And it's at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. This can go from 105 to 400 max Fahrenheit. and it lets you know that it's activated.
You hear that?
Yeah, it's cooking. And then it has a sound. You can turn that off and on, and you can also cancel this at any time. And do be cautious that it does have the heat sign on the top and in the back. So we're gonna wait 5 minutes. Okay, so now it's indicating that it's done. It's turning off. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, that look nice. Do y'all see that? Ooh. So what we're gonna do now, I'm going to go ahead and toast it up with, put the toppings on there with the avocado. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. So it did do a nice crust on it. Okay, let's refocus this. And that's just with my hands, you know? Ooh. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the avocado to it for the kids. Okay, now she's preparing. Okay. Ooh.
Doesn't look spicy.
Don't mind me if it does not look fancy.
This is spicy.
That's spicy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna throw a little bit of garlic powder. I love garlic powder. And bagel seasoning. Everything bagel seasoning.
Ooh, it's burning.
She says it's spicy. So this is how it will look.
And pieces of lime. I'm gonna do this one.
Don't mind the baby crying in the background. Okay, she says she want to do that one. Oh, that's a little bit too much garlic. And there you have it. Avocado toast, really simple, easy. And you can put whatever you want. So my next one will be the vegetable. So I'm gonna be cooking the string beans. I did not put anything on there. I did not put no oil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in there and see what it does. So I'm gonna open it up. Okay. So make sure you clean that before you start. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my string beans in here and see how it cooks. Okay. Put on vegetable, and this is 360 for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and press start, and it's activated. So what I like about this actually count down after 1 minute, so it tells you up until when it sounds off. Woo. Okay, now let's check. Oh my goodness, it is cooked. Do you see that? Oh wow. It is very, 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 for me it's overcooked, but you see how well it works, and it's hot. That looks, look at that. I'm pretty sure if I would have, opened it up to double check, but I just wanted to let it run. See how quickly it cooked it? Now let me taste it. You just need a little salt and it'll be good. So that's really good. It's too soft for me. I think for me I would do maybe I don't know. But the kids like it. I like mine more hard, but this is done to the point that the kids can eat this if I add a little bit of oil and salt to it. Okay, so the next thing I will be cooking is the bean burgers. Now, these was frozen, you can still see it, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook it, and I'm going to put it on, you know, a matter of fact, let's play with this. This is the temperature, and this is the timer. So you can actually play with that. You can go down, you can go up, all the way to 400. And it will stop, and then it will reset. The timer, I'm gonna put it on. Wait, let me put the temperature on, let's say 350. And then the time, I'm gonna be putting on 5 minutes. Okay, so it automatically bring it to DIY. So it tells you when it's open. We'll go ahead and place it in there. Again, no oil. And then just let it cook. Okay, once it's in there, you just push it, activate it, and then when you touch it, pause, okay? And then once it's finished cooking, it's gonna turn off and it's gonna say standby. So it's letting you know that it's still on. Okay, it's off. Now let's check it out. Let's see if it's cooked. You hear it sizzling? The outside is crispy. Really crispy. Ooh. I wouldn't advise you to stick your hands in like this. This full cooked all the way. Well, let's give it, this one is cooked. But this one, just one that keeps breaking down. So this is cooked. Let's go ahead and plate it up. Okay, so as we are going to be plating this up, I'm going to go ahead and follow the recipe for the potato wedges. And the cook time is for 25 minutes, the prep time 5. I just put olive oil, salt, pepper, and onion powder. So go ahead, open it. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in there. You can take this all the way out too. So, oh, all my oil is down there. Oh my gosh. I think I added more oil than before I read it. The fries is already at 400 for 20 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm press time and raise the temperature up. Raise the time up to 25 minutes. So it's gonna be set to DIY. And go ahead and activate it. Okay, so these are the burger. I don't know why it came this one. It was like a piece of asparagus, just was like in the middle, but this one came out perfectly cooked, crisp, and then I'll add the lettuce and tomatoes for the kids. It's 8 minutes to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause it and check up on the potato wedges because it smells so good right now. Ooh, it took less than 25 minutes. Wow. And that is to my liking. Do you see that? So once you put it back in, it's gonna still say pause. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the bowl. I'm gonna just shake it off. Ooh. Still a couple more in there. All right. Look at that. That's so beautiful. The crunchy parts like this. Oh my gosh, look at that. These taste so good. Of course, I just wipe the inside down so make sure it's not salty. But I'm gonna go ahead and add the cinnamon rolls to it. Okay. And do not ever crowd this. Uh-oh. He's been sitting out for a while. Okay. All right. Going to go ahead and put it on bake. And this is 320 for 35 minutes. We probably won't even need that much minutes. So there you go. Here we go. Here we go. Our last food. So just 28 minutes left. I paused it to show you that it's done. It smells so good. So look at these. This looks so good. Ooh. Delicious. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video very helpful. Bye.